Okay, here I am with some new questions of algebra involving BODMAS rules. So we've got 5 questions here, which are really basic. If you're starting with BODMAS, make sure to watch my last 3 videos, which are very basic. So let's start solving this part first, because if you remember, we have BOD. And because there are no brackets here and no exponents here, so we can simply use this part in math, which means division first. There's no division, then multiplication. So we've got multiplication here. Just take a darker color. And 5a, okay, 5a plus 3 times 2 is 6b, 6b minus c. So 5a plus 6b. I think this is the answer because all of these are unlike terms, which means that this cannot be solved further. We have different variables, and so this can't solve. Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2 is 6 minus x times 4 plus 5. We've got a bracket here, but the way of solving this is not to solve 6 minus x because this cannot be solved. So this 4 is being multiplied with the bracket. So we can, in simpler terms, so 6 minus x, so in simpler terms, we can write it like 4 outside the bracket and 6 minus x. This means the same thing, that this is being multiplied with the brackets, and so 6 fours are 24 minus 4x plus y. And this cannot be simplified further again because these are again unlike terms. This is a constant. The variables here are different, so this is right. Let's move on to question number 3, which is 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 times y minus. Now again, same thing. This times does not mean anything. We can simply write it 1 minus 2. We can simply just multiply this 3 by the terms inside, but it's better to write it like this because it seems much simpler. So 8 plus 3y minus 3 to the 6. And now this 8 plus 8 and minus 6 can be simplified, which equals 8 minus 6 plus 3y. And 8 minus 6 is 2, so 2 plus 3. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 4. Question number 4 is 12 divided by 4. So let's write it here. 12 divided by 4. I'm just writing this part as 12 divided by 4 plus 2x times 3. Now we've got division, we've got multiplication, we've got addition to which one to solve first. Again, the same rule helps us, which is the mass. So D represents division, so division is first. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 3 plus 2x times 3. Now we've done the division. Division is out. We have got multiplication next. So 3 plus equals 3 2s are 6x. So this is our answer because we've got a constant and a variable number option. So we're just going to simplify it further. Let's move on to question number 5 and the last question, which is 10 minus 4 times x, 4 times y, or simply 4y, plus 1. Okay, so let's solve this question. So let's solve the brackets first because we have the rule as BODMAS. So brackets come first. Now you will see that there's no number outside the bracket, but it is 1. And I told you in the last video too that we not just multiply the number, but we also multiply the sign inside with the number. So 10. I don't know what happened. Okay, 10 minus 4y plus 1 plus 1 and 10 plus, let me just fix this first. I know. Yeah. Okay, so there's a problem with the mouse, like this. Will be a bit hard. So 10 plus 1, 4y, which equals 11 minus 4y is 7. So, okay, so I think these questions are enough for practice of BODMAS. Actually, I did make a video on some hard questions of BODMAS, which was, I think, the last video. So I'll just give a recap of this question because I think the multiplication here was hard for many people. So yeah. If you look at this question here, okay, so 2b plus 3, 5b plus 2c. Two door. Okay. 2b plus 3, 5b plus 2c minus 5. So 2b remains the same here. This 3 is being multiplied with both of the terms inside, 5b and 2c. So 3 5s are 15b. 3 5s are 15 and b remains the same. And the plus plus remains plus, and I told the rule in the last video too that if the sign outside is positive, the numbers that are present inside, they have their signs remain the same. So this 5b has a positive sign, so this has a positive sign, and the second term has a positive sign. So this also has a positive sign here. So minus 5c remains the same. Then this one and this one, they were like terms. I did this, so this became 17b. And I did this, so this became 1c. I'll just ignore this one, so it was simply c, which was our answer. And I think it's all clear, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care.